FM. Adom FM. Adom FM. Why am I saying I'm baby? Adom 106.3 FM. Men do I say I did a bunker na poso ya de brewo. Shani sumami. Say Dura Plus. Where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Errata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Errata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center. Why are you here? You make Darma. And I job in Pon CP. And I fay a queer champoma, and a queer champoma safwedu. My card de Boncata, so Elfia. WhatsApp messages in the Bremi 0556-748-029 0556-748-029. Join us on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM live streaming, also on YouTube. And we're being a Juma 4. Ekofa Apostle Kwabena Owusu Ajeyi. Si akasa de ania yatie ene se yaremande no. Well, anapay ye baby sem. Kakrana fe menkain Chashita a free quarto e baye menkain mu kakra na fe miwia menuanomo emfa de bonkrata no na fe yenko telephone so na yentwetwen enkomo. Well, we in the circuit court Accra, court case number 07/18/2020. The Republic versus Apostle Kwabena Owusu Ajeyi. Count 1. Statement of offense. Na ekase threat of death contrary to section 75 of Criminal and Other Offences Act 29 of 1960. Particulars of offense, court say Apostle Kwabena Owusu Ajeyi, age 56 years, pastor, not married. For that, on or about the 4th day of June 2020, at Greater Estate, Nungwa, in the Greater Accra region, and within the jurisdiction of this court, with intent to put Mrs. Jane Mensah into fear of death, did threaten to kill the said Mrs. Jane Mensah. Count 2. Statement of offense. Offensive conduct conducive to the breaching of the peace contrary to section 207(1) of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 29 of 1960. Particulars of offense, say. Apostle Kwabena Owusu Ajeyi, aged 56 years, pastor, not married. For that, you on or about the 4th day of June 2020 at Greater Estate Nungwa in the Greater Accra region and within the jurisdiction of this court, without lawful authority, you uttered certain abusive words to wit. You are stupid woman, foolish woman, senseless Akufuado girl, to the annoyance of Mrs. Jane Mensah, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana. with intent to provoke breach of the peace or whereby a breach of the peace is likely to be occasioned. Count 3. Statement of offense. Possessing narcotic drugs contrary to section 2.1 of the PNDC law 236/90. Particulars of offense. Apostle Kwabena Owusu J, age 56 years, pastor, not married. For that you on or about the 9th day of June 2020 at Greater Estate Nungwa in the Greater Accra region and within the jurisdiction of this court did have in your possession a quantity of narcotic drugs without lawful authority. Signed, Prosecution Officer Sergeant Frederick Sapon. Now, sir, uko Facebook se see ya video no chagu. Where your video ni kaya Apostle Kwabena Owusu J na wakasa wabon training. Eti call Facebook Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. And now BNI for Echo 2 no. Dear Echo so Ewo Biaho. Yente bi na yeme to aso.
Central MP who calls himself Honorable Canadian Paul. Who the hell does he think he is? No official to me. You bet me snap na two. CID boss. Out that IGP. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest that. Me come in na adaka. Me na so for mama. Kino dina efuwa jibwa. Ya na se si amika se. Me kana mena Canadian Paul. Eh? And now, what's CID for by the million years? Yes. Where did I run away? Before. Where did I run away? Where did I run away? He is the Spain doctor in MPP. I send the ACA, no Macofano, no Abetrao, no. Obini issue is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
You're coming from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the right.
Okay.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
Please take your time, please. We are begging you.
No.
Please. Please take your time. That's happening live. Please take your time.
Hey,
We are begging.
how come?
Please take your time. Go back. We just no. Let us also know because move them.
Adom 106.3 FM. Uko Facebook video no. Chagu. Enra abra na ensem ne Apostle Kwabena Owusu J twetwe nkoma National Security for eba ho ebeche no na minia Isaac Buamadako woye adwuma Hot FM. Enra wano na wone Apostle twetwe nkoma ne dwumadi a wodi no anapaso BNI National Security adwumayefo eba ye ebefa wasofo yi Isaac
Bro CJ
Ready akwai bibia wo ho
akwai bibia wo wani tua
akwai morning show host ba kwa interview morning show host ba ko so atase sa me da say na me enra coded location ben ena na wudi dwuma National Security for eba we Isaac
a coded location na me di dwuma minim se na ho no mo ye osofo fio say na danfo fio say bia or cosere ho. That is why I describe that place as coded. Because yanchre ye ko yanchre se bia ha na ye ko because of what my yan aware initially say ye kunu fie ye kwa ha na se ye kwa ha. And that is why I kept reiterating say coded location because omayate and you no be about na yes or morning show no so that was a new say but if I can Japan can say you na within that time I can say no for can I can say CID for ban fee ba be hwe no ne ho kroba ne ade enti otimi masudu onim ebiana Omwa ebe baba cheno no mo nye national security operators no mo yankrofo ibi no anza de ombe no enti yanko baby enti baby no ye kono he only told me when I said or say yamra spintex.
I see. Enti wona ne ya arrangement no baby potiana asem kokohia de asat that and run upon the nam unnim say aha na mkwakohia na sa aha na mkwakohia
asat and run upon na minim say yekohia ha ana yekohia ha de na minim asat an upon any say ye cost spintex. And you know spintex and so ye nim say ye kwa ha ana say ye kwa ha enti ye do spintex no that is one me do a flower pot area ho na me friend say papa the flower pot no so momra manim kakra momra na mon kasa mo ko a greater estate greater estate means minimum honomo until we have to use the Google map and they call a do greater estate eti na hono no sign friend no or say yemra obo Dimbi chairman I've forgotten the name and I have to Google again and you call her. So sorry. You do honomo and the friend say we are getting closer and or no so about the kwan ho atwan eti ye twamu san ko ye chi ne ehu san go bisa taxi for bi e wo honomo oluman bia not taxi mu the driver and the bisa say ehin fa ne mouth bien why mouth bien yibi ehin fa ana o chere say ba bia o chere ye na hwa na ye ko nti ye ko honomo ene ye san ko ye kon na ogina kwan ho ena ba bia no ogina no honomo na o chere so ye park wa hanomo ene ye parking honomo ena ni ye nyina ewura inside ye ko tenance we were then late into ye tenance ya na papa ye start ya ye pia etom
okay
ye shafe ye juma na ye shafe ya ye din komo na odo no ka chem se grofo bi baba ho na
ono di ka chem se grofo beba ho
yes o ka chem se grofo bi beba ho
na te se wanya hint ne da ana
minim se grofo beba ho no ye security for ana se me binya me security omo beba ho no ye omo ye your friend is saying what we call it omo ene baba ye program no omo be kan ho that is what I thought. It seems also okay, you know, I'm buying the son of your mom join.
Okay. Isaac, Jinasuma me. Ebusa sa ko Facebook say ya. We be hunu video. Fie potia mini e ka ho asem no. We be hunu video. Ebra na oni no edin komo no ampanifo no ebowura fie ho. Echi good morning. We are from National Security. Say. Isaac, una mitimusa wo share check shirt wo share nose mask anambwa.
Yes. Nose mask white now.
Nose mask white ukura phone wo de kasa.
Yes.
I see. Fie no amubura mu no na mu hwe ye sane ho no motie ene papa no sane wo fie ho no na ubetimi akase efie ho no te ana so so etesen.
Mentimi nkyere ye do fie na oni opani ba ko ne cho na pani no kra na wonom ayi kakra ensa kakra na oni pani na che wonom a yes you do wonom o ka ya obefa ya odi ye ko ye no chepa de so wonom yenko ti nyina sorry kunwem si oni exercise na odi ye ko dan na chi ne kokotena wonom a yes set up so I don't know said na ho ye feel say ho ye hu bet looking at things na say de na akunya ho ase ebi a omoton san fie ho.
I see.
Because
as a who summer hat be our gate in one or gate in one summer hat to be ho.
Yes, super summer hat no my parking kunya so said baby ya ton ensa e wo hono e sa kunya na bi na no ma san asset to akire hono ma ya kokotena so e wo akire hono mo no.
Na o chese na patututu no na opani bi a o cancel fi ho no ono nsa.
Oh. It's unfortunate. Now, so we want to say it doesn't matter, and you'll be in the 20. And yes, for the name, I just want listeners to know vividly. You do what you who in there.
Okay. Abraham na cheche nkomo no. Wo hu no pani no, wo hu no West Bag na esen na sinim.
No cranny na me. Sige. Man who will band. My dream anchor so say. Ebi afi ana say make me do we share won. You better come out. We be something. Not see just atade pen. My dream koso da. I will not be able to tell.
True.
Because me focus in United say and come on me and me focus and nothing else. It's man who be bisa. It was later on almost can say me who video be say see we share na say ni ade no. And me who say your friend is saying neighbor. Who say almost we share no na who say video no kwabra with me producer. Let me so na back do on me video ni. Because radio be crowd station be from Americans me man who said the bias on na kwabra catch me call video in TV in the live video na me who say oh say na bibi bon ho that has to say I can never substantiate. I can never tell. Say, me who say we shall suffer one now. Say, me that is sent be an answer. No, man who be after.
Okay, and Isaac, and command shall say saying na abrebe na BNI was a national security for you. One more and come to train him. Yes, share video Facebook CCA.
Yes, start saying close to a year. Your friend is saying 30 to 45 minutes. And you realize the xenophobia in the room. The way the nominee is a almost on the banner. To make a chair, we know my producer is almost Macunia, no Montanasi. And almost, yes, almost fee, your friend is saying. National security, no more restaurant, tell more my chick, or so forth. And I'm saying, oh, what? Why? Almost entering a restaurant, no, almost you cut a tray. So for almost do kind and Kabato or half of suffer from now. No, don't touch me. And I'm saying to myself, please take your time. One barbecue, any power hand so barbecue be cry, talk to West. My you know, and to you people on the best one farmer, mankind, my new coach, and we say, I just saw the coat of arm, I was so keke, and the judiciary and the end, and my sister, almost far a year, your friends, or my be and trying my home true identity. I say no. We should get back. No matter so for me.
Okay, Isaac Mebau. Woman for IDB answer.
No, at that moment, woman for IDB answer.
And a warrant, and so woman for Mobian can send the panel with your honey bio and Bibisa and who so and the press.
There be Bibiasa uncle so. We almost year. Actually, this is our restaurant, but. To read and ascertain say you true and not say you true, nothing like that happened. If you almost didn't call on your DHR, I said there, don't my home identity, my home identity, and the call can say I will even go with them because me mom of an uncle, and about which was a massa. I said get back, else I'll discipline you. And I'm saying no, let me know who you are. My home actual identity. As an all uni ID card no, and the other from us I know called Dream Hukakra. My man, a fellow of it, any other.
That is a sabra, Mamma Drew Quine, me who V8 black B says ho, and no money at the apostle Quashay, and Mamma Drew Quine.
All right, okay.
Sometimes Mamma Drew gets no one, me who V8 black B, and money
black V8 black 2, and a white 1, and on the bar, on the barber chain, a coy. Yeah, who's a man small air?
Medase.
Now, so my main for chat.
Okay.
Any dear one. You know, who's a was a click, media phone and security phone, yeah, one normal cockatoo woman who company.
Matibi pa. Yes,
William, cousins, no, I see it as they are going to be childish, especially honorable saying, I choose Red MP, or Baba Cabbie, and no, I am Yapa. Be a member of parliament. I won in the okay, kind of American kind Bible, Proverbs 18, 13. Also, be a Obebuas a man son with you, said you Jimmy for, then in Guasiatono. I'm not saying he said that Papa Jimmy for, but a Dubai be a simple honor. Number can I mean, son with you. Obaka and son with you. It doesn't help. And Mwasa, oh, you're quite young, you're too away, so young, your life, I was a German. Now, for the Casa in which yeah, and my journalism, I hear Crumano, after when you being Tiafi, after and come favor the Ombie. I just want to state there, young, national security anywhere yet, Yanni Piana anywhere yet, Yanni police won't anywhere yet, you know, be anywhere yet. Yeah, let me, I just found say, you're quite young, Cassie, about Facebook Live. But the way you didn't come on us, now, more social media. And I'm so, oh, young for a social media guy now, but that's telling you, bet me, I understand. You bet me, me personal Facebook account, bet me, I call live. And you call Facebook live.
Okay, and lady no, ana ultra video no, I got gantwa, and I know one. I mean, you have a gantwa.
Yes, yes, my name is Coy.
Okay.
On a meeting phone, he, she was there to write a yes story. You really young, you had told you website. Yeah, you had your website. That is what we did. And at that time, no, I won't buy the possibility of the mobile picking a Facebook, no, you know. High, young man, it's open back as the location. Mine, I don't know. I see that as childish. Now, and what in this a Juma?
When I'm in jail, number one, Isaac Bamadako, a morning show host, Hot FM, and Ra. And apart one Apostle Kwabena Wusreji, one more train, come more, be a near Susu said. A Honor Apostle you what Greater Estate BNI for Echo fan. Oko Facebook say Adom 106.3 FM. Our Facebook ubehunu video see her ene sanya hot here u refie anymore summer hat bi wo ho ofa summer hat no ho na fei wafa corner baby tie bi ansa na waba fie no achi enti fie no achi ena na Apostle wone nsem trafo yi twetwe nkoma Bambo Adwuma foi ebowura ho echiae we are from national security you are under arrest say ye ne no atwetwe ho nkomo anapay well okay
CJ hey na sesi ana medi mrika mabewura mu ye nua no na ose papa ne fie wa na ote ana say
o chese woni ne ye arrangement buku appointment say one ne be ye interview
no so nsia no
enti o ye se o nsia no ho enti o ho no kra no onim ho enti papa no ya no ayira no afre papa no na Google ya no de na ma papa no be gina akwa ho ba bi e na o twen no enti o hia no no say ye wura fie ha e na bo wura fie
say yentumi ensi so se papa no e ho na ye ne fie
yentumi
na yenua no so aye wama in depth analysis o say one ne tena ho no wahunu se na bag no bo ne ho and wakohunu se wi ehim and indeed so we Facebook na we say de no se ne te ho no a me no kra na se
in fact o share video no a unhunu se see video is see unhunu se waist bag bia boho but I'm say police ni no police ni no e Dwaso no police ni Dwaso no dey waist bag no ho ye dey e da ho
it say enua na ehunu se tie for entie ni yo say enua no wa ehunu se na wakase wa ehunu se na waist bag bi boho e na katum se wi kura kohyemu a he's right because no obi ekosia sa no makodi nkomo enema a wo kura wo hwe no na sinimu ho kura wadwene e ma no so saa enti se wakase wa ehunu ma yenko hunu se bia enokura bi na bia won pese obeka na asem no me de me sa na me hunu se me mpo na me papa no kosia yanka ne sisimu ho no de madwene no nkonko hwe ne sisimu no makohwe atade no so Westberg na atade na kata so enti e be dia ma yenua no se obehunu bibi esa ena so hunu ho kura se ho te ho no ma ontimi nko hunu se wi ne hyem ana sika ne gum ana bibi ne wom
nokre nokre
let's assume say okohunu say ebia Westberg no kra ho adwe baby da ho a ohunu ade kure wom
ena ebiem so between bia ye che papa no Greater Estate ho they call office why ye de papa no koduru ye no bibia betimi asi okay manengo ahoma no so na mene ora Adam Bona or a security analyst na mamema na kwaba rabona otemika memo akwaba
Major Mosof, Mechia, Echefo.
But that's how one day,
Radiado, on the
and social media, what they in Sembisa, Bakumi, Numia, Senai, Numensia, and so what tree and Kuno Edu at the Eto social media. Now, because of discussions, Sinti, Mamenji Brenna, Menkin Kemuka Kana Femia, Membra also, Wadaruma.
Okay.
So, questions by Adams Bonner, a security analyst, and I think, okay, question 1. I say, why was the suspect not given the warrant to verify and authenticate if it's signed by a court? which court, date, name of judge, etc. issued it.
Adam Bona, na Samoa, and no tintim begu social media, will be sabi or then be sabi buyer. Nancy Bisa now what the by the kindness say. Adentina or so for quabre or sweat J. is being I for quachenono. A year warrants and a nekita warm, ya a Facebook or they no cut every time. Woman farmer ora or software no one can kai, and who say I'm every court neba na court asimesi na o issue ye judge asimesi na tenedwom.
Why were his rights not spelled out clearly to him and asked to remain silent, or whatever he says could be used against him?
Aden suntina ye kwate no ne de warrant nam na ye ntumi ankyerɛkyerɛ charges de enti ye bɛkyi no mu ankyerɛ ne ka kyerɛ so wonka na nuntum agye so oduru ho ansa. 3.
Why was he not searched at the scene of the arrest?
The Tosumi and Sawobisa say, Ye can see afraid the Korea Chirikitano, Ninsem. I didn't see no one caso am cotono, 1 month in our uncertain no, I should know. I wore a honor noir.
Why was a relation of his not informed where they were taking him to?
A DNC Enna Nebusia Ananam 4 Yam more money, baby, I didn't know.
5. Are the national security agents aware suspect is not guilty till court says so?
Radam Bona Ebisa was say national security for aso woman mu say say yachiri will be near the sububi bonwa se court any asam no enchire say nano bonwa se nipa no ni for.
6. Could the national security officers have planted the knuckle on him?
Will be so Radam so bisa Adam Bona so bisa say ne question tosunsia yes say we ebetumi abane se national security for na boapa e de ahye ne nsam ana.
7. Why video him posing with some herbs suspected to be knuckle and publish it? Which law permits national security agents to humiliate suspects this way?
Obisa asembisa tosunso no wase adentina mo che no kra ne so kite mo twanim fonini so wie ya ne de akwakoto abonten ama obi ehwebi ya emfonini ekita no na sa ekwan so no sa na sese ba no.
9. Which lab tested the substance the suspect is holding and confirmed it to be knuckle?
Ene obisa biem wase lab ben ena wo mo hwehwe mu hunu se araba na ekita no 10.
Shouldn't the national security agents in the said video be rather detained for planting knuckle on the suspect?
Na sembi say tosudu wase ensase national security for nankasa kura no yetumi detain wo mo ese wo mo etumi atwa asa niema no ne enhaban bone no a na ekita brantie no de beto abonten ana.
Randall Bonabesa ba homa so na ya jene how cause to say clearly no circumstances are a far arrest ne ho ne kwan de papa ne fa so any social media trendy ye ne ade nyina no ono ne sua hunu as a security analyst no as a niema ansada anyeden ankoyie akua
wono so na dwene no won se
akua wa ba homa no so rabana ne mo akwa ba bio
o me jomo so
clearly metie questions 10 year we be say ya ase niema bi enye clear ewo wadwenim circumstances are efa papa in arrest ho social media kwan ya ye beche no ye de ne call office ne handcuff gu no ene ade wo ha pa ne sen rabuna
mean sanctuary for me how you know say well first of all let me be clear say the man cry ya e ma na no koyi kama no e ade a you know ye memo ha no ye ntimemofo no enye se ye kasasa enye and so say one obi unti me ntime ho anse bi ba na say ofo say enkoyi mawa ukokot or you try to dialogue aso be ka se bi a ye nku nipa simesi be wu anase ye nku na anase enye se no emwa and so for me eno de bambofo no e wo ho kwan so mdo no be fa na kwan so and so I see it to separate you can say why he was arrested, from how he was arrested. So to me, and yes, our distinction, and I intimate of one study, yeah, we are saying now we will not be doing the rest of the populace, kind of saying a good service because while he was arrested, the Okokaya said, I know you come into I say to me, but how he was arrested, I know, and I may come once and say, first of all, Mrano, as I said, be Kasan, yeah, they say to me, invite to and I say to me, they'll back police for catch and I said, but before I catch it, you be said this out. Nientia, Kasan. But oh, yeah, now before then, then so much for the warrants. Now, I'm just trying to play back what was seen on video. The man clearly not only some sheriff will be aiding and so there was already a camera there that was videoing what was going on. Now one more you kind of saying arrest warrant. Then you answer him say arrest warrant. There are different types of warrants. Which may issue warrants. Warrant is the search will be phone. Warrant is to me the the search will be free. Warrant is to me the will be in a court and the issue warrant. But in the kind of saying in the chaos, you could hear say when one of them asked, now warrant anything. One of the operatives clearly in the video, Eka say, national security and national security warrant. Over there, every trained professional understands. Say, if you are trained in these things, you know national security and as a police ain't issue warrant. A warrant is issued in the name of the person who must be searched or who needs to be accountable to the institution, the court that issued the warrant. But warrants, they only flashed an A4 sheet.
Okay, national security, one issue warrant.
No, issue. No, national security cannot. I mean, on what authority?
Okay.
How long do they issue one? National security can't issue a warrant.
Okay.
And I think maybe national security for some put a warrant or more issue warrant. Sebi Kandapa and say, Madam for Henry kind of saying that or sign it. No, it's the court. You need to prove to the court that warrant to be able to arrest him. And so it's the court that issues warrant. And the warrant is usually only issue warrants in an individual's name and as a group. I mean, depending on the way you look at it. And so warrants, any national security for there. A man no there. And so you do by law, you give it to the man. Let him read it.
Orabona, you hear education kakra. By law, why necessary warranty? Then Sasha say why necessary signing?
The judge, it could be a circuit court judge, or it's supposed to be a judge must sign the warrant.
Okay.
Some of the things are not done. Sabi, Amanone, these things were even supposed to be, I think it's supposed to have been done, but because of maybe convention to Amunye, police officers or security agents could walk into a judge's home in other places and ask a judge, convince the judge that we need you to sign, a warrant for us to arrest for such an individual. The judge is supposed to sign it if there is, convincing, kind of saying, argument that or else he's a threat to so and so and so. We need to get him out quickly from society. The judge will sign it wherever the judge is. It doesn't need to be signed within the premises of a court, but it has to be signed by a court judge. And so these are things that needs to be verified by the person who the judge has instructed, say, if I'm not signing it, so the moment you take it, whether what can you, the moment they give it to you, they take possession of you, you are detained. And when they detain you, the officers no more actual, and when they need to do more tribune, apart from taking you straight to that court for the court to decide again what should happen to you. And so it was so strict. I'm not sure now I'm going to call that. I think that particular judge and the judge remanded him, which is lawful. But the processes were not followed. I mean, I told some issue, I'm sure on the ID card. I didn't see it. Oman Kasako, they were not marked vehicles. I mean, sometimes this thing can be done. Omo, I'm sure they do a call. And so you ask yourself that as security operatives, these are normal Mankasano Kese, and Titiemono, you don't violate, it doesn't matter, even convicted murderers, when they are convicted by a trial judge or jury or whatever, they are supposed to dispose these cases of decently, not humiliated. And so mine is that and some, I mean, I am on various security platforms. We started talking about it and describing what they did so uncouth. Then 30 minutes after, they're kind of saying, a video comes out purporting to be something that looks like, some herbs or some leaves purported to be offending cannabis or marijuana or weed. And you could hear the security operatives, you ask yourself, you need a forensic lab test to verify, say, you kutano, now, fly abetie, any the other topano, any cocaine, even higher whites. Even though we have the other topano, be a friend saying, this brown will be, but most often it is white. It is also liquid of white powdery substance. Now say, one year test, one year because to be a mayor, a gubonibi. It is a liquid of leaves in 1 year test. That's all the kind of wow. Say a year. Now where you should not say a year. Now you're again. And so maybe say, if we are able to separate why he was arrested from how he was arrested, then you see we will be doing a lot of good service to this country because everything is and maybe say, on what grounds was he humiliated that way? Is it that the national security operatives no? I'm not sure that anymore, Maduma. And we said the style of interrogation. They sat him down and be interrogating on video. At that point, you have arrested him. You take him to court for court to remand him and say, continue with your investigations. Now you are asking him questions without his legal representation. This is the reasons why, Yamamuhano, we say high-profile cases, example like this one, they could do court, not because of lack of the substantiated evidence. Now, judge, or who would sit and state, well, this evidence is not, abuse is not enough. In the case, now, to my phone and to me, I'm Robert, people then power, not the next day is in town because evidence, one cranny. Okay, so now, we share video now. The officers who are displaying this, no share hand gloves. Were they not contaminating the substance they themselves are purporting this man had? Why didn't they search him at the scene? They should have patterned to check with the television.
Back to the search warrant, the warrant, Mintime say no what me can warrant no social media, but warrant no.
I haven't seen it.
Okay. A bit the manim has CA. Okay. And the heading is order for arrest 1, search 2, seizure 3, retention and examination of electronic devices. That is the heading. Now, Osha warrant no signed J.K.O. Daniels, registrar. Well,
it depends. I believe that it's possible for the registrar to sign on behalf of, but most warrants are supposed to be signed by a judge. But I believe that, the registrar could be acting on behalf of the judge. And so this could be perfectly legal. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. This could be perfectly legal. The registrar could do that on behalf of the judge. So this could be perfectly legal. Yes.
Okay. Matthias here.
Yes.
Matthias here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not just clearly, we share the content, arrest, search, they arrested, yes, but the search was not done at the arrest scene. What problem?
Exactly.
Okay.
And so, first of all, you got the who realize the dictates of the warrant, and someone said that arrest was done, but the judge social media. That was not part of the instructions issued by the warrant. The warrant is usually very clear. And so maybe they are making say, why didn't they even pat it down? The warrant search. Maybe patting it down to say, it will be Shanaho, a Droboni Bishanaho, and answer 2 payers are 2 payer belt to be born. Oh, what can publicly say, EC boss, he's suspected to have said, EC boss, this will happen, that will happen, that will happen. I mean, allegedly, this is what he's purported to have said. But, I mean, if we would separate why he was arrested from how, say the then you see, any ordinary Ghanaians, President Carr said we should be citizens and not spectators. We would be probably one day we will not end up in this man's shoes. And so maybe the understand one check here from nowhere we are told that on his waist bag there is they found some marijuana in his waist bag. And so every researcher will tell you that if you want to do research into the behavior of security couples and security agencies in Ghana, you would not finish complete without quoting the current IGP. The current IGP is quoted to have said that they're kind of saying some police officers would plant we're kind of saying in Lubani Ewa for cars and I have had friends and sometimes people call me and say some patrol officers stop me. And I'm saying no could be any boots. I found friend is saying almost rubber bag black polythene bag division. So you want this course, that be mean you should into a man for. When these things come, I mean, if you happen to have been a victim, don't touch the substance. Don't touch it because once they tell you to touch it and you touch it, it's likely to be connected to you because forensically your fingerprints will be on it. And so one of the incidents when this friend called me from around Spintex area, a friend I'm a catcher and he said, don't touch it, let me talk to the officer. So I told the officer, you be there, I'll drive there. So that we'll take this thing to your own forensic lab. They will test and see whether this person you are purporting to have handled the drugs belong to the person. But I told my friend, don't touch the drugs. Would you believe by the time I got there, the police officers had left him with the drug and they were gone. By the time I got there, they had left. By the time I drove to where he was, police officers, no more call. The patrol team, no more call. And so what it means is that most people don't know their rights. I have to be honest with you. And until our rights and responsibility and, be probably pocket lawyers and know the way these things work, a lot of people are languishing in jail for offenses they know nothing about. You may be understand. It is better to free one case than to imprison one innocent person, as the legal fraternity people do. It's better to free 1,000 members than so many people in prison. People back there. Anybody, what can I say? Now, we know the consequences of that. And to me, understand.
Hello, Rabona. Well, Radam's money security analyst, and I know actually come on here.
And then some now walk on it.
But Uko Facebook video no ewo. Brian Che no, and then quiet fast so Che no. Watch closely. The video ni ye pa. Nothing. You didn't go through of the way to hide, way to have. You didn't go through Hanso so brown paper. Adia a woman I say we is almost say ndubone we bi and also so hunt videos meaning now you can just look closely nothing what me and make a decision.
Yura Adam Bona Nsem na obisa no Nsem bisa no nukure ebidi bisa ebidi bisa kyerɛ sɛ wohwɛ warrant na wokenkan ye no a yɛsɛ mo nkɔkye no mo nsɛkye no munyese na mekra nso mente ase sɛ nipa no papa no manhu sɛ wo resist arrest o ana he didn't manhu no ɛna mensante ase bie mu sɛ so na one resisted the didn't na mo adwoso ne te wodwoso no am ehunu se wache no ana enokre wo mu ne se ye radam bona na sem ye wo kem national security for no a ye fa wo mu ema wo koye adwuma no enokre ye ba ko pe eya yenyan party boys no a yesesa wo mu de wo mu ko bebrebe no ena impo se party boys impo na wo de wo mu ekwa senipa no ebia ne certificate ekita no wodi no wose no fata yema wo mo proper training na ye hu say nipa no okone si adwuma na de ne kwose ne nsa no the person will be able to execute his or her job diligently because ya anya ne sa na okoye national security wa no atim say onim sebi president wa hwe abekasa say ensihyanka say wo say due processes so mo fa so eye adwuma no wo mo antumi anya ne ye woduru ho no ma opani esase ye che wo such warrant ye de eba ye no de amana kenkan wo no kenkan wi a wo behunu nenti a waba ne ho no
okay, me ba homa no so na me ntwetwe enkomo itawo
ya ha adwen
lawyer Eduji Tamaklo a private legal practitioner meneno ntwetwe enkomo council.
Good morning.
Morning Pacho Pome.
Obo de na daruma.
Ya de nyame ase. Pacho wadaruma enra arrest warrant ya de kwache osofo owusu agyi. Pacho wahunu warrant no social media baby.
Amen.
Me bacho wona wo ye lawyer warrant I the format let say nia wo hunu no social media no wo hunu say.
Okay, the meme who ye ewo sebio social media me say may refer to it for the avoidance of this what it says in the circuit court Accra, case number D21911/2020 in the matter of an application for an order for the arrest, search, seizure, retention. Hello?
Meton kapa lawyer.
Seizure, retention, and examination of electronic devices pursuant to Section 7188 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960 and Section 99 of the Electronic Transaction Act 772. Order for arrest, search and seizure and retention, blah, 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 by his Circuit Court Judge, Esando. And then he says, upon reading the affidavit of number 40-37-3, Detective Sergeant Eric Mensah of Ghana Police Service, stationed at the Bureau of National Communications / National Security, Accra, filed on the 18th day of June in support of motion ex parte for
on the 8th day of June.
Of June, 2020. In support of motion ex parte so. Upon hearing Detective Sergeant Frederick Sapon for prosecution, it is hereby ordered that the suspect, Apostle Kwabna Ajay of Hezekiel Prayer Ministry, be arrested and searched. It is further ordered that electronic devices found on him be seized, retained, and examined. So, this the order me.
Okay, but the former arrest no take per warrant yes see a wankasa working kind who is saying
well maybe my learning kakra me about the constitutional and statutory standard for effecting arrests, we share the Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land. Article 14.2 now, a case or arrestee obia, you must immediately inform him of the reason for the arrest. And you must also inform him that he has the right to remain silent and that he has the right to a lawyer of his choice. That's the constitutional standard. I'm meaning. Video kakrana mi hu ye no. Na ko say no be a interview. Then I don't know, say it was something arranged between the journalist doing the interview and the arresting officers, because it does appear so like he was, either one of them was expecting, say, the what shall I say, the arresting officers will come. So the video I made sure I didn't see a situation where, for instance, I heard one person saying, "Oh, we have an arrest warrant from National Security." Okay, but as to whether they gave him a copy of the arrest warrant, as to whether they told him why they are coming to arrest him, as to whether the searches and co were done. And you know, the difficulty is that, you see, when you are doing a search of this nature, they are journalists. Okay, hello,
lawyer.
They are journalists. So they had their camera. So right there and there, you do the search. At least then it means that they are third-party witnesses. And
yeah.
Then subsequently, he's taken, and now we see video recordings of him, interrogations. I mean, oh God.
Lawyer, many journalists no ana oneno interview no atwetwe nkoma na pay. Ama na cheresenia na o suspect say ebia it could be a plan between journalists and then national security for no journalists no aka say no mu nim ho hwe impo babia papa ne frɛ wo say omra mehia no na wo mu nim ho papa na na mo direction to the exact location greater estate ho baby and wo papa ne ko hia na wo ma share interview no ase papa ne mpo ne kyerɛ wo say wo mo enye video on Facebook Live, and the host of the interview.
So there are two things. It's likely, from what you are just saying, then it's likely say he knew they were going to come, and so he wanted the whole process to be videoed.
It's likely.
So there are various possibilities. Or no apostle no name. Maybe I know now are picking a personal intel, but he wanted the whole world to see how it will play out. These are all possible scenarios. Okay, but like I pointed out, there's a constitution. And you see, for me, what I always say is the way our constitution is, Yanye Amma, the best or the biggest social and so human being in the country, or the smallest, or the poorest, or the richest person, because of the underlying thinking, say we are all equal before the law. And so obviously say maybe a very influential person, I'm sure say they would have gone, read it out to him, this is what is happening, or even invite him. I mean, we have seen several instances of invitation. And so question, you go with 3 Land Cruisers, armed, because I saw an officer with the side gun.
Yes.
You know,
yes. Yes.
To go and arrest such a person. What message are we sending across? What message?
And there's a lawyer, what's a Juma BNI for one more a year, yeah. You see, we had a certain image of the BNI
national security and what have you. Into Osha, from the time Francis Poku and Co. Ebet take over BNI for many years now, there had been these conscious efforts, more or less, to send a different image of the Bureau and the NSCS. So they have a certain human face to whatever they do. You see, some of these Gestapo style of arrest, I don't know if you understand Gestapo.
Yes.
It may not be sending a very good signal. Especially, look, all kind of law reports. There are several instances who Mr. Akufo-Addo, our president, argue issues about respect for human rights, the minutest form of it, and what have you. So the expectation is that now as president, these agencies will conduct themselves to reflect some of the positions advanced by, Mr. Akufo-Addo then.
Okay.
What I say.
Yeah.
And so that, so that it doesn't look like, under him, in a ABCD. In any case, if these are matters bordering on speech offenses, there's a way to handle it.
Lawyer, there's a video Sofo Kwabena Usreje interrogating. Now I want to play a bit of it. Na fe imagine so be so asem simana fe de nkomochocho no asi. Wadaroma.
That's it.
So where is your ministry located? Is it Hezekiah Apostolic or what?
I told you, it is not a church.
So where do you meet?
Oh, I have. It's just a prayer.
So where do you meet to pray?
We can meet anywhere.
Like where?
Get a place, rent a place, depending.
So have you registered it?
Have I registered it?
It's not registered.
No, it's not registered.
Do you have other associate pastors or what? People you pray with, who help you pray?
Oh yeah, we have. Yes, I was.
So you are the lead pastor?
Yeah, it's my mission.
Yeah. What is it? You say what, that you're an apostle?
Yeah.
Lawyer, wakakra but meninti matraso. Masem bisane say, is it proper to be videoed? Wabra interrogate you as a lawyer.
And you notice even at the interrogation there was no lawyer there.
That's not right.
I don't think you saw a lawyer present while she was being interrogated. You see, the thing with human rights issues, they say, men, the suspect is a lawyer. Then let's respect him. Hey, the suspect is a big man. Let's do the right thing for him. If the suspect is the poorest in the society, apply the same principle to him. Do it with a certain human face. That's the only thing that I ask for. What am I saying? I want to believe that, and then, so police for HME Edujia. I will insist that before I talk, I need my lawyer to be present. And the police are under obligation to ensure that that is done. And you see, I always give this message to my brothers and sisters within the national security, within the police setup. Say, look, as for the law, today you are on this side, tomorrow you are the other side. Why? As we speak, some 7 police officers and military officers not being tried for alleged coup d'etat. Bruh. And as we speak, there's a senior police officer, ACP Agosto, and I stand here, who is going through criminal trial.
No, correct.
So when you respect the rights of people, you are only doing the right thing so that you can say, this is what the practice is. Let it apply to me.
Okay. Lawyer, but this Sikrano, Begini said the how he was arrested in India clearly. Who said why he was arrested, you feel it's in place.
At least now we all know there is. I've seen the charge sheet with the various counts.
Yes.
The threat of harm, statements that has the potential to breach the peace, and then possession of narcotics or something. Strangely, we shared a third count in Ukraine. The police officers were relying on PNDC law that has been repealed by the Narcotics Control Law 2020. So you could see that someone was in hurry. What I say? Someone was in hurry. Because why would you be even citing a repeal law? Charging someone under a law that is repealed. To show what? Obviously, only lawyers who are addressed on this. But my point is that we should do things to show, say, almost 27, 28 years after the 1992 Constitution, we are doing things to improve. Sebi. Everybody watching the scenarios that have played out, we see, say, at the core of this is politics. Someone just want to show him where power lies. And no, nothing more, nothing else.
Lawyer, Mamena was an offense here, at least for now. Maybe at
the right time, sure. The lawyers and the people involved who address it.
That's it. Lawyer Eduji Tamaklo, a private legal practitioner. And atwetwen komo no mame kan few Facebook comments nothing yen share Augustine Buadu or say this is Boga Ubuntu watching you guys live from Dubai. Mr. Bona or whoever he is called should give us a break. When that guy was angry insulting His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Jean Mensah, where was his advice? And on so de a brain or Facebook. When you say Kwekweje, also Mr. Bona is Mr. Bona being security analyst has no right to details to the security agencies as to how to arrest a suspect. Mr. Bona should also understand that in the criminal law there is nothing like invite, but there is only one thing: arrest. Period. And on so. Ediaba Abubakar Baba Bawumia also did Adam Bona speak when did Adam Bona say this when the NDC pastor threatened to kill EC chairperson? This security expert should spare us his rants. Well, for the Abra Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Ewo Facebook na yebejemanya kenkan di amount. Emra ekua mse di bisi ha.
Ya de besi
amrante no aba
o maba na so ya ye hu ne se ensam na papa ne kan ne de enye kura na so so eba mremu a esan se mra no ebi akenkan ate ase enti no ye wo kwan ya se emra efa so eye adwuma ene ye security agencies no kwan a se emra na kire wo mo se se wo mo fa so eye adwuma enti in as much as say nipa no wato mra no wanye ne yie no won so a wo ko apply emra no so no enkoto mra no ye ne se de se wo ye ne pepepe na ne wonya follow due processes na de nipa no kodru court a judge and wo be fa emra no adada no ene ne nsem nyina no wie ne ho asotwe wo no na ye de ama no pepepe enti sa na wo se ye hu no me kakra no enti ye security agencies no BNI for no national security adawroma wo mo go through emra no mo follow due processes e ba ne sa adwuma no beye wabra obia emo udimbo.
Yeah, the Asadama Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes water flows. Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana. The future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? And Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayare Fee. Kobe Stone. Alex Kwabena Stone.
Yes. CJ Wabodin.
Okomankra.
Bakwa
Waka. Ensroja.